This video contains slokas 6 to 10 of Narayaniam Dasaga 11 describing birth of Hiranyaksha and Hiranyakashipu. Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Sri Guru Ayyappa Sharanam. प्रसाद्यगीर्भिर्सुवधो मुनीन्द्रान् अनन्यनाथावदपार्षदौ तौ संरम्भयोगेन भवैस्त्रिभिर्माम् उपेदमित्यात्तकृपं न्यगादीः. Prasadyagirbihi with pleasing words to the sages, Stuvadaha Munindran, to the sages as they were praising thee, other Parshadau Tau, to those two attendants, Anyatha Nadhau, who did not have any other refuge other than thee, Negadihi idi Atta Kripam, you thus overcome by compassion, said, Yuva Mam Ubedam Sambrahma Yogena Bhavaihi Tribihi. That is, you too will attain me by the path of confrontation in 3 lives. Meaning, as the sages were praising you with pleasing words, you told the 2 attendants who had no refuge other than you to confront 3 lives as asuras on earth, overcome by compassion, then you granted them your attainment. So thus Jaya Vijayas took 3 asuric lives on earth as Hiranyaksha and Hiranyakashipu, Ravana and Kumbhakarna, and then Shishupala and Dandavaktra. त्वदीय भृत्यावथ काश्यपाल्तौ सुरारि वीरावुदितौ दिदौ द्वौ सन्ध्या समुत्पादन कष्टचेष्टौ यमौ च लोकस्य यमाविवान्यौ. त्वदीय भृत्यौ, your 2 attendants were then born. Other Kashyapaltau udidau didau dvau surari virau. That is from sage Kashyapa of his wife Diti, and they were born as the gods' powerful enemies. Yamaucha, and the twins became Logasya Yamau Iva Anyo, like the other 2 Yamas, that is god of death, other 2 Yamas to the world. Sandhya Samulpadana Kashtacheshtau, since they were begotten during the evening twilight, that is Sandhya Samayam, because of their Utpadanam in Sandhya Samayam. Meaning, thereafter the 2 attendants took birth as great asuras through Didi and her husband Kashyapa. They being begotten in the evening twilight, the twins became cruel in nature as if they were the gods of death for the world. The story goes like this. Diti, one of the wives of sage Kashyapa, became jealous of her co-wife Aditi, who had large number of children, approached Kashyapa at dusk, that is Sandhya Samayam, when he was about to perform his evening worship, insisted on his begetting child through her immediately. Being an inauspicious time, the sage tried to dissuade her, but as she was adamant, he had to agree. Hence, Sandhya Samutpadana Karanena, the children were born as asuras. Hiranyapurva Kashibukilaikaha Paro Hiranyaksha iti pradida Ubhau Bhavannadamashesha Logam Rushanirundam Nijavasananto. Hiranyapurva Kashibukilaikaha, Hiranyakashipu was 1, Paraha Hiranyaksha, the other one Hiranyaksha. They were known by Hiranyakashipu and Hiranyaksha. Ubau Rusha, both in anger, Nirundam tormented the whole world for which Hare, you are the master. Nija Vasana Andyo, that is by their own Vasanas being blinded. Meaning, one son was known by the name Hiranyakasipu and the other was known as Hiranyaksha. They, in anger and blinded by their inherent evil tendencies, tormented the whole world, which has you, Guruvayurappa, as the master. Tayor Hiranyaksha Mahasurendro Ranaya Davannanavaptavairi Bhavat Priyam Kshmam Salile Nimajya Chachara Garvadinadan Gadavan. Tayoho, of them, Hiranyaksha Mahasurendra, Hiranyaksha the great Asura, Ranaya Davan, seeking a fight, Anavapta Vairi, not getting any opponent to fight, Bhavat Priyam Kshmam, immersing in water with your dear earth, Salile Nimajya, Chachara Garvad Vinadan, roamed about, roaring in arrogance, Gadavan, carrying a mace. Meaning, of the two, Hiranyaksha, the great Asura, seeking a fight and not getting an opponent to fight, immersed that dear earth into the water. He then roamed around, roaring arrogantly, carrying a mace. Tado Jalesha Sadrisham Bhavandam Nishamya Babhrama Gaveshayam Swam Bhaktaika Drishya Sakrivani Detum Nirundi Rogan Marudalayesha. Nishamya, hearing, Jaleshal Sadrisham Bhavandam, from the Lord of Water, that is from Varuna, that you are alone as his Hiranyaksha's equal. Babhrama, he who is roaming around, Gaveshayan Tuam, searching for you, Hare Guruvayurappa, that you, Bhaktaika Drishyaha, who can be seen only by devotees, Sakripani Tvam, and the abode of compassion, Nirunti Rogan, eradicate my ailments. Meaning, then coming to know from the god of the waters, Varuna, that you are the only match for him. Hiranyaksha roamed about searching for you. Here, Sri Bhattacharya prays, O Guruvayurappa, who can be attained only by devotees, though the abode of compassion, kindly eradicate my ailments. This is the end of this particular chapter, and to conclude, we will have a Shruti here, Bhagavad Shruti here. Bhave bhave yada bhaktihi padayostava jayate tatha kurushva devesha natastam no yada prabho nama sankirtanam yasya sarva papa pranashanam pranamo dukkha shamana stam namami harim baram. Harihi Om. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe to the YouTube channel and activate the bell icon. Thank you.